Discover Vietnam's sweet soup, blending delicious journeys with health and culture. Vietnamese cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of flavors and textures, captivating food enthusiasts worldwide. Among its rich culinary offerings, the sweet soup, with its eye-catching appearance, stands out as a must-try delicacy. In this video, we embark on a culinary journey to explore the delicious and healthful world of Vietnam's cherished sweet soup. This traditional dessert, known for its unique flavors and nutritional benefits, offers a taste of Vietnam's rich cultural heritage. The origins of sweet soup in Vietnam trace back centuries, embedding itself deeply into the country's culinary landscape. Each region boasts its own variations, telling a story of history, geography, and cultural influences through every spoonful. Beyond its delightful taste, sweet soup holds a significant place in Vietnamese culture. It's more than just a dessert. It's a symbol of family, tradition, and festivity, enjoyed during celebrations and as a daily treat. What sets Vietnamese sweet soup apart from other desserts worldwide is its unique combination of ingredients and preparation methods. This dessert defies the conventional, offering a blend of textures and flavors that tantalize the taste buds and nourish the body. Vietnamese sweet soup, or chè, is renowned for its diverse and healthful ingredients. Each variety boasts unique components, from mung beans and tapioca pearls to exotic fruits and coconut milk, offering a delightful nutritional boost. Among the beloved variants, chè ba mau charms with its vibrant layers of green jelly, red beans, and yellow mung bean paste, while chè bap celebrates the simplicity of sweet corn and tapioca pearls. These varieties highlight the versatility of sweet soup. The street food scene in Vietnam brings sweet soup to life, offering a kaleidoscope of flavors at every corner. Vendors serve these treats in bustling markets and roadside stalls, providing a glimpse into the local culinary culture. There's a noticeable charm in homemade sweet soup, crafted with love and tradition. While street vendors offer convenience and variety, the homemade version invites a deeper connection to the food's cultural roots and family memories. A cooking demonstration not only demystifies the process, but also brings the audience closer to mastering this delightful dessert. By following a simple recipe, viewers can enjoy a taste of Vietnam from their own kitchens, bridging cultures through cuisine. Discussing the health benefits of sweet soup, it's clear that these delightful concoctions are more than just a treat for the taste buds. Ingredients like mung beans, black sesame, and lotus seeds are rich in nutrients, offering a boost to one's health. These traditional components are known for their positive effects on digestion, heart health, and even stress reduction. When considering dietary needs, sweet soup proves to be incredibly versatile. Many versions of this dessert can be adapted to fit vegan and gluten-free diets, making it accessible to a wider audience. The use of natural sweeteners and plant-based ingredients caters to those looking for healthier dessert options. The changing seasons bring about a delightful variety of sweet soups, each with its unique appeal. Summer calls for chilled, refreshing versions with fruits and jelly, while the colder months see a preference for warm, comforting bowls. This seasonal shift not only reflects the adaptability of sweet soup, but also its deep integration into Vietnamese culture. Sweet soup holds a special place in Vietnamese celebrations, where it's often served as a symbol of sweetness and prosperity. During important festivals and family gatherings, different versions of sweet soup are prepared, each carrying its unique significance and story. This tradition underscores the dessert's role in fostering community and togetherness. Featuring interviews with experts, such as local chefs and food historians, adds depth to the narrative of sweet soup. Through their insights, viewers can gain a deeper appreciation of the dessert's cultural heritage, preparation techniques, and its evolution. These personal stories and professional perspectives enrich the overall understanding of Vietnam's beloved sweet soup. Travel tips for sweet soup lovers are essential for anyone looking to dive deep into Vietnam's culinary delights. Exploring the bustling markets and quaint alleyways can lead to discovering the most authentic sweet soup experiences. Engaging with viewers is a crucial aspect of sharing the love for Vietnamese sweet soup. Encouraging them to share their own experiences or aspirations to try this delectable dessert creates a vibrant community of food enthusiasts. Pairing sweet soup with other Vietnamese foods can significantly enhance the tasting experience. Suggestions like enjoying a warm bowl of sweet soup after a spicy main course can introduce an exquisite balance to the palate. The art of eating sweet soup involves more than just savoring its flavors. It's about appreciating the texture, temperature, and the blend of ingredients that make every spoonful a journey through Vietnamese culture. Sustainability and sourcing are vital in the preparation of sweet soup, emphasizing the importance of using locally sourced and organic ingredients. This not only supports local farmers, but also ensures the authenticity and health benefits of the dessert. Vietnamese sweet soup has transcended national borders, influencing culinary practices and dessert menus worldwide. Its unique flavors and textures have inspired international chefs, to incorporate traditional Vietnamese elements into their creations, blending cultures through food. Innovation in the kitchen has led to modern twists on classic sweet soup recipes. Contemporary chefs experiment with ingredients and presentation, introducing sweet soup to a new audience. These fresh takes ensure the dessert's relevance in today's global culinary scene. Sweet soup's significance extends beyond the kitchen, finding its place in Vietnamese literature and art. This dessert is not just food, but a muse, reflecting the rich cultural tapestry of Vietnam and offering deeper insights into its traditions and people. Frequently asked questions about sweet soup reveal the curiosity and eagerness of people to learn more about this delightful dish. Addressing these queries helps dispel myths, educate, and encourage culinary exploration among enthusiasts worldwide. Looking ahead, the future of sweet soup appears vibrant. As global interest in traditional cuisines grows, so does the innovation and preservation of this cherished Vietnamese dessert. Its journey from local delicacy to global sensation exemplifies the power of food in connecting cultures. Exploring the world of Vietnamese sweet soup is more than just a culinary journey. It's an opportunity to dive into the rich tapestry of culture and tradition. We encourage you to try making sweet soup at home, using the recipes shared in this video. It's a delightful way to bring a piece of Vietnam into your kitchen and to appreciate the intricate flavors and stories behind each bowl. Supporting local businesses is crucial, especially when traveling. If you find yourself in Vietnam, seek out local vendors and sweet soup artisans. Your patronage not only helps sustain their livelihood, but also preserves the heritage and authenticity of this delightful dish. By choosing to buy from local sellers, you contribute to the community and get to experience the most authentic and delicious versions of sweet soup. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked on together. Vietnamese sweet soup is more than just a dessert. It's a celebration of health, culture, and the enduring spirit of Vietnam. We've delved into its origins, varieties, and the joy it brings to those who savor it. Remember, each spoonful carries the essence of Vietnamese tradition and the warmth of its people. We invite you to subscribe and follow us for more culinary adventures and travel tips. There's a whole world of flavors waiting to be explored, and we're here to guide you through each savory and sweet discovery. Your engagement and curiosity are what make this journey so rewarding, so join us as we continue to explore the wonders of global cuisine. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Vietnamese sweet soup. We're grateful for the opportunity to share this piece of Vietnam with you, and hope it inspires you to explore further. A special thanks to everyone involved in bringing this video to life, from the chefs who shared their recipes to the local communities that welcomed us. Until next time, keep tasting, exploring, and enjoying the rich flavors the world has to offer. To wrap up our journey through the delicious world of Vietnamese sweet soup, we reflect on the rich blend of culture, health, and taste that defines this unique dessert. It's a testament to Vietnam's vibrant culinary heritage. We invite you to dive deeper into the culinary adventures that await in Vietnam and beyond. Subscribe and follow us for more insights into the world's diverse food cultures, ensuring you never miss out on our travel tips and recipes.